welcome back to my channel. My name is Latoya Ebony. I do fashion, natural hair care content, and some vlogs here and there. So if that is something that you're into, take a look around, subscribe, leave me a comment, leave me a like. So today in this video, we are talking Cuban twists. Okay, we are talking protective style. We are talking something that looks very natural, is very lightweight, and is very flexible. So if you're interested in learning how I did this particular style, keep watching.
I just want to take some time to give some shine to those of you who have chosen to purchase from my store. I am thoroughly enjoying the images you have shared with me. And if you are interested in purchasing something from my store, go to shop.latoyaebony.com. I will leave the link down below.
So this hairstyle is giving inches overnight, okay? It's giving, this looks like your real hair. It's giving very natural vibes. Many of you probably don't even know that I am a professional actress, and episodic season is coming up. Episodic season is essentially where like all of the smaller roles are really cast, and I need new headshots, and I wanted to figure out what season look I wanted, and I wanted something that was along the line of the faux locks that I did last time. I will link that video down below, but something that was a lot less high maintenance. Something that looked like my hair, but that keeps my hair kind of under wraps, so I don't have to mess with it as much. I can literally get an audition and be like, boom, I'm ready. And I also just wanted to try something new out, so hence this hairstyle was born. I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys see how I got this style. Enjoy the tutorial.
The hair I'm going to be using is Outre Springy Afro Twist. This is in 16 inches and I use a number 2. Now, for this style, I think that it's really smart to completely prep your hair before installation so that you're not fighting with it. You know, you want to keep your hair moisturized and organized. So you're going to add a hair cream or butter to your hair strands. I'm going to be making medium-sized sections, I'd say, small to medium, but I think this is a medium-sized section. I ended up with 33 twists. You're gonna part and twist your hair in those medium-sized sections. This is optional. Of course, you can install as you go, but I just find that it keeps me organized, and I can kind of prep the hair ahead of time if I wanted to. I don't do that, but you can. And of course, you just want to make sure that your hair is completely untangled and stretched.
Okay, so the footage I originally filmed for this, way too dark. You're gonna see in a minute. So I'm just gonna do this insert to fix the problem so that you guys can clearly see what I'm doing to make these knotless twists. I'm gonna show you 2 ways. And also I lost my voice, so bear with me with the voiceover, okay? Okay, let's go.
Okay, I'm starting with 2 sections in the front so you can really see. These sections are stretched and detangled. You've got 2 options, okay? So we're gonna start with the twisted hair. The hair that we're going to be adding, and you want to distress that hair so that it looks as close to your stretched hair as possible. You want this to blend. I took my real hair, parted it in 2, and one half of the hair I'm going to roll the twisting hair into my real hair. So it's essentially going to look like a shiny worm on one side, and the other side I'm going to do the same thing, essentially rolling both hair together, my real hair and the twisting hair, so that you have 2 rolls, 2 worms. And just so you know, I twisted in the same direction. Then you'll take both halves and 2 strand twist them. It's very, very simple. and it looks so natural. Okay, option 2. Of course, you're going to moisturize your hair. I moisturized the first half as well, just so you know. take your real hair, split that section in half, take the fake hair, put it in that part in one side, just like option 1. You're going to roll the hair together so that it looks like another little shiny worm. This is just going to speed up the process. And once that is rolled, you're going to secure it in place. And the second half, you're going to do a 2-strand twist with your real hair and the twisting hair. You've done this a million times. It's so easy. This is just for those people who have a little bit of an issue with the hair sliding out. I noticed that this was particularly helpful for my hairline where I have less hair to grab onto. This was very, very helpful for that. And then after you're done 2-strand twisting, you'll see that both options give the same result. It looks so natural. It's so easy. And let's get back to the original video. All right, we're taking the edge wax, putting it on our roots a little bit, taking a small amount of that twisting hair. I'm going to roll one end of the hair or one half of the hair into the twisting and then 2-strand twist the other side and twist those together. You can choose between 2-strand twisting your real hair into the fake hair or just doing the rolling action. It really depends on the hair that you're using and how much it's slipping out of your real hair. But as you can see, this is a very, very, very natural look. There's not a huge bump at the root. So that's what makes it look natural. At the end, I'm just applying a little bit of the mousse to the roots of my hair just to tame some flyaways. I'm putting a scarf on, a bonnet on, and then going to bed.
Hey loves, welcome back. It's about 2 days later. I've had some time to marinate with my hair. I am going to cut it so that it's even, because child, and I'm gonna show it to you and give you my final thoughts on this hairstyle and what I'm gonna do next. But first we gotta get into this shirt, okay? I have updated my website and now we have color. I freaking love color. You know I had to do it as much as I wear color up in here. So now there is a red, aqua, royal blue, and pink. I'm so excited about this. If you like what you see and you have not purchased a shirt, a hoodie, a mug, oh, I really love this mug too, you see? I love the mugs. They're probably my favorite thing on the site. I'm not even gonna lie. If you have not purchased, I'm going to leave the link down below. Again, thank you to all of the people who have already purchased something from my shop and have shared your images with me. You saw in the beginning of the video, I like to feature you, so be sure to hit me up on Instagram and send them to me, okay? Hashtag HeyPhenomenalHair as well. And I'm gonna keep celebrating you guys as you support me. So the hair was covered with a bonnet. Yes, it was. And it held up really well. I don't feel like the mousse did much. I also didn't add that much, to my hair. I'm just gonna show you what it's looking like now. And as you can see, it needs to be trimmed. Now, I'm not using my actual hair scissors from Tweezerman. I will link those down below as well, but we're gonna use some regular craft scissors because this is plastic. This is plastic, okay? I'm not gonna be ruining my real scissors on this. And this is what I got, okay? I got a kid, we do crafts. I do crafts, so let's see. bit cumbersome, not cumbersome, but a little tricky cutting this hair because you stretch it and then it will shrink and things like that. So I think that if I had like a professional doing this or like someone else's eye, I could do a better job. And also they're twists, so yeah, I kind of feel like this one might be too long, but I'm going to get my husband to help me. But I will show you what it looks like now. You know, I'm gonna go through my thoughts, okay? Of all of the protective styles that I've done with added hair, this was by far the easiest, the fastest. Overall, it took me 6 hours, 2 hours to twist my own hair and part it, etc., etc. I did not start on blow-dried hair, so you know, I have to be a lot slower working through it. It was stretched, not blow-dried. And 4 hours to do the actual extension part. And I have to say, I was learning along the way. I've never done anything like this before, and I had a lot of trial and error, figuring out how to keep the hair in my head without sliding down, because all of the other methods that I saw online, they weren't working for me. So I kind of had to figure out something else that worked for me, you know what I mean? So with the whole twisting method, this is also the most natural looking hairstyle that I've ever had. It looks like my hair. And I think the length may have something to do with it because my hair is actually not that far off in length, but it's giving me more length because when I twist my hair, of course, the hair kind of draws up a little bit because of the twist. And it is literally the most lightweight. And that was the main thing I was concerned with because at the time of filming, it is like in the 90s every day. No. It's so lightweight and I'm able to style it much easier than with the faux locks. Very excited about that. The only thing is I feel like this is giving basic. It's giving basic. Like I could have done this with my hair. Maybe not, it wouldn't have been quite as long and quite as full, but like it's maybe like a fuller look of what I would have done for myself. So I feel like I want drama. Give me fabulosity. Give me when I walk down the street, I want people to break their necks to give me a compliment. That is the kind of drama that I like in my life with my hair. And I feel like this is giving Mary Jane, and I want Catwoman. This hairstyle really was all about me figuring out what I want for my headshots this season. I wanted something that I can take out very easily, put back in very easily, and still give you guys content in between. And still be able to just take care of my hair and my scalp a lot easier than I can with the faux locks. And they're so versatile. So I'm gonna have hubby help me even this up, of course. And I'm gonna be filming a week in my twists, a week in my Cuban twist, okay? Or whatever kind of twist you wanna call this, so that you guys will be able to see how this wears throughout the next week and a half, 2 weeks that I'm gonna have it in. Also how it washes, because I'm very nervous about that. So the video was coming, okay? It's coming because I've already started filming it, so. With that being said, I will see you all on a Monday or a Thursday. Make sure you subscribe, you thumbs up this video because it definitely helps the algorithm, and you leave a comment, okay? This took me some time, okay? So at least give me a thumbs up. All right, so no. And check out my shop. So if you are interested in how I deep condition my hair, part 1 of this video, I'm gonna leave that video here. Bam. And if you are interested in my last protective style, which was the faux locks, I'm gonna put that here. Bam. I love y'all, and I'll see you in a couple days. Mwah. I love you like la la.